Ever wish you could split your Target haul into manageable payments without the hassle? Your wish is now a reality with Sezzle. Let's dive into how you can use Sezzle right there in your local Target store. First things first, you'll need the Sezzle app downloaded on your phone and an approved Sezzle account if you haven't already. Sign up. It's a quick and easy process. Once you're at Target and ready to check out, open your Sezzle app and tap on the Pay in Store option. This is where the magic happens. The app will generate a unique barcode for your purchase. When you're at the checkout counter, simply hand your phone over for the cashier to scan this barcode. It's just like using any other gift card or payment method on their system. The scanner reads the barcode, and your Sezzle payment is processed. Your first installment will be due very soon, usually within 2 weeks, and subsequent payments will be automatically scheduled. You can easily manage all your payments and view your schedule directly within the Sezzle app. This means you can enjoy your new Target goodies now and spread out the cost, making budgeting a breeze. So next time you're hitting up Target, remember to Sezzle it up for a seamless and budget-friendly shopping experience.